Okay. What's the audio volume? I think I can turn it down a little bit. Can you play Geometry Dash level editor instead? You raise a compelling case. Might have to pivot. Guys, look at this shit. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The Lakers fucking won a basketball game, and they did it without Luka Doncic or Austin Reeves. I got my Lakers gear on. I got my Lakers jacket thing, and then I got my wait. You can't see it. How am I gonna be able to? I got my Can you guys see this? You see that? That says Lakers on it. I got the full purple and gold fit. Can you floss? Sure. Who gives a shit? I don't know how to. It's like. I can't. I kind of did it for like a little bit. Can you play Tumotainment level editor instead? That's where you just like edit like a fucking PNG in my face. I'm from Australia. I don't know these foreign words. It's basically like the Vegemites beat the emus, the kiwi birds. But yeah. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Where's Luke Kennard? Luke Kennard had 27 points. Look at this shit. Dude, my goat Luke Kennard, dude. My fucking goat! That's him. That's him. That's when he was on the Clippers. Like, that's him getting pumped up. That's a fucking 10 is a terrible... That is a terrifying photo. He needs a redo on that. Also, why did I just get, like, fucking flashbang? Dude, look at this fucking... He had 90 points, 83 points, 27 points. My goat. It's still, like, low-key loud. Like, high-key, low-key, high-key. Maybe I just need to turn my volume down. How's the audio now? I don't want it to be, like... Hopefully that's, like, a little bit better. Okay, so there's a couple things... Basically, the pipeline for today is I'm finishing up this timeline panel, and then I have to fix a few other bugs with like moving around shit, and I want to get your guys' opinion on the transform thing when we get to it. But the first thing I have to do is I just like got this JIT. This guy, Beats per Switch. When you said how the stream now, the stream went to like 140p and the audio got worse. Well, you know, I just have that effect. I'm sucking all the bitrate. I just won a game of Clash Royale. Let's freaking go. I'm like halfway through League 3 on comp. I won like I won a surprising amount of games in a row like earlier today, and all my opponents were brain dead. I don't understand what was happening, because like normally it's the opposite. I just bought more land from the metaverse. Please do not mind my double typing. My keyword is from Razer, so it is very misogynistic and hates me. Is the company like evil? My opinion is it sucks, even though I didn't see it. It's what sucks. Oh, who does Tingus Pingus play for? Tingus Pingus plays for... Actually, don't know. He was on the Wizards. He plays for the Warriors? I forgot about that. Well, the Warriors just got out. Dude, look at this, like, profile here. Look at that fucking, like, that inquisitive face. I just bought more land in the... Okay, where's my level editor thing? I have to go to this input field and put this in here. Parsing as usual, I see. True. Okay, so beats per switch. Basically, I don't know really how to word this better, but this is, you know, the levels that go like ding, 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 and then they like swap the little cube things. That's what this is setting, right? So you can change it. Tune. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what that is. Basically the default is 8 for like a 4/4 time level, and it's like 7 for a 7/4. So I need to get like data from this and actually like do the freaking thing. Okay, so set switch. I guess I should. Well, where's custom level writer at? We're getting like pretty close for it to be like done. Like Dunzo. Okay, so set certain end time. I need debug.log with the flip. Yeah, this is good. Okay, where do I set the start time? Okay, start time, level editor.end time. Okay, so that means this has got to be where's set start time? Right, so this would be public void set per switch, and it takes an int. Oh shit. And then this is where we would do. I have something in my ear, bro. Oh, by the way, my headphones like don't even work anymore. I don't know anything about the sport where you used an orange strip ball to get inside a hole with a net in it. Basically, you like dribble it and then like you like throw it in the air and you hope it goes in. And then if it does, like everybody cheers. Tim, do you like the California Circus or the Maryland Magicians? I mean, I gotta go with the California Circus, right? Like they're literally the home team. Like my freaking team. Okay, wait, let's do this. Set beats per switch. L dot. And then this JIT codes in C. This guy codes in C Sharp. Dude, C Sharp is my literal comfort character. It's such a good. It's just like a funny, like little guy, like little language. Okay, so, and then I need a public get set. Actually, it doesn't even really need to be a get set, but I guess it can, because like, why not? You know what I'm saying? Public float. And it's mad at me because the naming conventions aren't right. Oh, the naming conventions aren't right. I'll give a shit. Beats per switch. Like, literally no one else, I mean, I guess besides you guys, will ever see this code and have to do anything with it, so. Okay, and then beats per switch equals I. Set that, and then I also need to set it where, okay, so then edit per switch, and then if int, this JIT cracks, dude, I'd be such a good hacking in the mainframe guy, like hacking the mainframe. What is it called? Beats text I, and then if that's true, set beats per switch I. Booyah. Okay. Tim, look up Chef programming language. I dare you to make something with. What is Chef programming language? If it pulls up porn, I'm like permabanning you. What the fuck? Dude, I don't want AM mode! Get up! Get away! No! Stop! Chef is a stack-based language where programs look like cooking recipes. Chef was designed by... What? Dude, I don't... Should I click on solangs.com? Structure. tile ingredients, cooking time, oven temperatures, and then matching data structure. Mixing bowls act as stacks with hold values. Ingredients are added, mixed, or stirred to perform calculations. What does it compile to? A program uses name following ingredients, 111 cups of oil. Wait, that's awesome. You think you could like someone could probably make a game engine with Chef, right? What is it? Does it compile into like? What does it compile to? Just assembly? I mean, well, I guess I would assume so. Or does it like? I mean, because it could compile into C or something and then into assembly. I don't actually know. I have never made a programming language. I want to make a programming language like really shitty syntax, like way worse than anything on the market right now, which is kind of impossible because Brainfuck exists and Moo, but like something that's just egregious to look at. To do change, yeah, I don't remember this shit. Oh well. Actually, I do remember, like, why that's not... Oh, that's right, I still have to do undo and redo. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Like, low-key, what am I doing? I think I have to do it now on... Set custom levels, so set feature switch. Okay. That's good. But then, when it's change music... What is it? Is it change music? Yeah, it is. Okay. Int, I'm just gonna say int. Well, int I, who gives a shit? Music, custom level music, dot, what is it, what did I call it, like divide? Or, no, time signature, right? Okay, and then, wait, what? It's a float? No. I equals 4. I equals 8, so it like doubles it to the thingamabob, if that makes any sense. And then set beats per switch. Alright. That should not be a float. That's a little. Okay, I guess it makes sense for like a time signature thing. Because also this is like, it's fine. I guess the time signature itself can be a float, and then it really shouldn't. Like, if your time signature is a float, that's a little bit, that's a little bit sketch, but whatever. Okay. Because all the music, okay, so that should just, in theory, work. I need to go to level editor dot edit. Wait, where's my JIT? Why are you not using Visual Studio Community for programming in C#? I don't know. This is just the Visual Studio I have, and I had to download it a while ago, and I haven't changed it. Okay, but the Chef Esoteric Programming Language, ISLing, does not have a single official native target. As it was originally designed as a stack programming language, the publication by name more. Instead, different community differences allowed to be compiled or interpreted in several formats. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Why is this not, like, showing up on my thing? Or can I just not read? Edit level editor. Hello? Wait, is there a compiler? Oh, there is. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Whatever. We'll just call it that. Who cares? Who even freaking cares? It's mad at me. Forgot. This is Visual Studio 2022, I think. This is not VS Code. I've used VS Code. It's alright. It doesn't have, like, for Unity, it doesn't have, like, built-in stuff as much, is the problem. Okay, so... Level editor. There we go. Okay, save that. Now let's see if that works, and I'll know if it works. I have to like technically I have to reload the scene because I haven't loaded it in a level yet, so it's gonna get mad at me. Wait, what? How? How'd that happen? Okay, I don't know. Oh, also I added dragging. I did like dragging to the freaking. Look at that. Like you can do like a bunch of stuff. It's kind of epic. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go back, and then that's correct because we haven't set anything yet. Also, what am I deleting? Okay, let me just actually exit and so I don't. Okay, so that this visual stuff needs to change a little bit. Okay. NuGet packages are awesome. I need to like look into that shit. I know, like, I mean, I've done it before. I just don't know. There's so much stuff I'm not like an expert on. Okay, so this is correct. And I'm gonna go to options. I'm gonna just like change. Oh, actually, that's a good test because it has like the thing. Okay, so then we go back to timeline. Okay, good. It's 8, and then it like if I play it, and then if I scroll to like. I need to go. Okay, yeah. It looks a little bit off visually, but I think it is like good. Guy who doesn't use VSC. Yeah, like the Geometry Dash thing. Also, the recipes from Chef are all recipes you can make IRL, by the way. Speaking of Chef, cooking stream next week? Question mark? Question mark? Just floating it out. Just floating it out. Like I could. Okay, I'm gonna save the level. And then I've gotten. That's why I got a. Wait, you can't see it. That's why I got a whiteboard. Like I got it for the cooking stream, and then I know that's probably like horrific to listen to because it's like 2 songs. Let's see here. Wait, it didn't work. Oh, because I never set it right. Okay. I never actually set it when you write the level, so it's got to be custom level dot beats per switch equals. Why would you use the capital one? I didn't fucking type that. Okay. Hello. Why is that up? Oh, because Right. Right. Hold on. Okay. Int, and then I'm assuming because I tasked it at an int, there's no error. Correct. This is true if correct. There we go. Okay. Next cooking stream is Tim making cup of noodles. Dude, that would take all day. Cup of noodles is famously like a really hard dish to make. Okay, let's try that. I guess I can just save the level. Let's kind of like, so I need to fix this, like, let's just save that, back, exit. I don't know why NuGet is being like, like censored in the thing. Recommend your project solution and click on NuGet. I'm almost done with the project. It's basically done. So at this point, it's like loot get. Okay. I need to move. I need to like make these readable. All right. Let's see here. Trying to remember how to do this stuff. Okay, so this works, right? Also, since last time, I added parenting. So I added like all of this shit here. And you can like move it like that. But the problem is, so the checklist of what we have to do is when you move it right now, it moves. It doesn't move. Like if I go up. Okay, well that was a lucky. Let's move this JIT instead. If I go up on this, it's not like up. It's not in the right direction. You can use, I mean, I probably did, but like Unity like handles like I have a bunch of freaking like packages in here. I have like a bunch of stuff, but it's like handled in the editor, so I don't really like touch it that much. Where is measure? So I have to change. First, I just need to change this. Like, I need to. What do I need to do here? Parenting is confusing to me. I almost most of the time prefer absolute. I think that like that is fair. Like it's good for. It's really good for rotations. Like, so freaking powerful sauce. Okay, what's the... don't I have, like... Yeah, okay. Start text, mid text, text with... That's right, so... Parenting is when you raise a child. What if you adopt it? No, exactly. You're still raising it. Exactly. Let's do, like... Is this a template? This is just, like, Unity. This is just, like, an engine. And it's using a lot of, like, this is all Unity. Model behavior is Unity, like, stuff it inherits from. Okay, Tim, I need your professional opinion as a chef. Professional, yeah, sure. I'll give you my professional insight. My For You page has been riddled with videos of a trend where people eat Pringles with chocolate. What do you think? I'm gonna be honest, I've seen these videos too. It looks pretty good. I can't lie. It looks pretty good. I would try that. Oh wait, did I edited it, right? Well, now it's just broken. Our table is broken. That's fine, right? Text with, yeah, it's not really. Okay, so that means this is gonna be max of 33. Maybe that's a little too small, but like, whatevs. Low-key whatevs, though. Okay, now the real question is, I think it's still below the thing, so it's not gonna, like, work. I've had a can of Hot Ones Pringles next to my desk that Walmart gave me with my Switch 2 pre-order. That's awesome, what? Which one is the Playhead? Oh, maybe the one called Playhead. Thoughts? Okay, so, like, at 650, so at 600, that'll probably, like, work, but it's still a little not great, because this shit, like, goes on a thing. This is good, yeah. You should make that a dessert for the cooking cream. Like, I would make that. That shit, like, looks awesome. Tim, can you do a stream where you watch a pot of water boil? That would be like a 5-minute stream done correctly. Yeah. Unity like handles like a lot of the stuff, so I don't have to. I can just be like simple, like I can be simple like primate brain and just just like have my like lollipop and propeller hat just coding like la la la, and the back end's like all taken care of. Timroll's worst UI design ever? Asked to leave Twitch.tv? I mean, IDK, bruh. How much is left for this editor? Not a lot. It's getting pretty close. Seen any good memes lately? Baseball, huh? Okay, actually, speaking of baseball, I'm wondering if I should make like a I started making a baseball roguelike a little bit a while ago, and I kind of want to like boot that project up again, low-key, after Bird Editor is done. At least, okay, Bird Editor version 1 is done. I don't want to. My goal is like I make the editor, give it out to people can do stuff, and then after a while, after like a little bit, people can be like, okay, I want this, and this. Like these features, and I can add them. Where's the image thing? Shouldn't this be like 600? I don't actually know. Gulp. Gulps nervously. That looks off-center to me. I don't actually know. Actually, wait. Let me look at note, because note will have the answer. Glups. Nervous glup. Okay. Can we load, please? Thoughts? The following files. Shut the fuck up. Following files are not. It's like yeah, sure, whatever. Where's the thing where I change their position? Is that in level editor? Refresh. I thought it was position point. Is it like recalculate positions? What? No, it's definitely me when I don't remember like what I have where it is. It's like a refresh. Yeah, add, well, okay, it's in rearrange notes. That's what it's called. Okay, to do. Thanks for that. Overlapping, yeah, that's all the logic, but where do I actually set it? Set row. Oh, it's just an int. Okay. Set row. Wait, what? Where is row getting set? Oh, I see. Right, X spacing. Okay, X spacing equals... What is offset? Offset equals Y spacing. Oh. Wouldn't it be this? I don't actually know. This guy doesn't comment his code. I commented a little bit sometimes, but like not really. I mean, like most of this is straightforward. It's like I'm setting the position, I'm setting the... Wait. Don't these do exactly the same thing? Why do I set it twice? Everything gonna break if I do this? Like... Is this not just the same line of code? If you name your variables well, you shouldn't have comment. See, that's what I'm saying. That's the truth nuke. Like, if you really read all this, it's like image ref transform size delta. So we're setting the size of the image equals new, and then we're saying this is the X, this is the Y. Like, this is setting the scale. This is the dot text. Well, text is well, text is like a thing of the nodes. That's a little like thing. It's like if it's a blue, if it's a red, if it's a purple, if it's a blue. This is obstacle versus laser. I call this the stereo now, by the way. A truc. I don't comment my code because I hate myself. No, you're just like so... You don't need to comment it if you just like remember everything. No, you need to comment it sometimes. Sometimes, only sometimes. Let's just put it this way. I'm not an over-commenter. I'm barely a commenter at all, but I'm definitely not an over-commenter. Okay, did that work? Maybe... No, I really do need to comment. I do. Just like great. No. What? Okay. How are we looking on space? Like, if I duplicate this shit, it's okay. It's slightly off. By the way, this is like such a bad way to separate lines. I really should just actually do it manually. But well, wait a minute. What if I were to purchase a Krusty Burger from Krusty Burger and disguise it as my own cooking? Delightfully devilish, Seymour. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, what is it not? Wait, oh, that's not the right image? Hello? Wait, which one is it? Wait, is it this? Oh. Yeah, it's mad at me. It's like, you provided a sprite with no border. No, I need to just do that manually, right? That's just bad design. Okay, wait, hold on. Dividers. Okay, get rid of this. Actually, don't get rid of it, maybe, but like... And then the dividers go over it. This is probably like a cleaner approach anyway. Guy selling ram leg. 3-day. I have memory goods. 3-day time span. I remember everything. Bootleg ram. What a goat. LeBron! LeBron James. Actually, today it's Luke Kennard is the GOAT. Because of his performance. UI image. And then make this leg. Wait, what? Is this like not... Is this like scaled? Oh! Okay. Sure, man. Whatever. Who cares? Probably make that pure. I guess I'd make it like a little bit transparent, like as a treat. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think is how much we need. Which is that's 7 actually, but you know. And then we do layout group. Tim, what would you do if they made a team called the Quakers? That'd be kind of funny. Orlando Magic coming out the East Booklet. You played the song. Orlando Magic, Orlando Magic. Oh. And the spacing should be 90, correct? Because it. Oh wait, what's the Y spacing on the thing? It's like 75. It is, so it would be 65, 6'5", and then middle center. And then make the height like 600 question mark? Maybe is it did I do it? Did we just save the city? Maybe. I'm gonna game. You're going to game through the Magic. Wait, that's awesome. Wait, that's sick. Dude, I have a friend in Florida. You should get a Orlando Magic buddy. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. That is a the San Andreas Fault Quakers. There's no way that's real, right? There's no. I refuse to believe that. No, I don't like the Quakers. That's fine. I refuse to believe that there is a team that represents the San Andreas Fault line. I only know Kareem Abdul-Jabbar because he's an airline. Yeah, it's like, wait a minute, you're Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. God, Airplane's such a good movie. I watched it like a couple years ago, I think. Their playoff slogan, hold the line. But so I was like, please, win one game. I think Orlando could take a game off Detroit. I believe. Okay, so like, that doesn't look like the worst thing ever. So that's pretty good. I need to, I'm gonna search this a little bit. Maybe, I mean, and then make the lines, if I do those to be like 10. Or I just move them up maybe, like 305, 310 even. Nope, can't do that. Not allowed, because they like kill me, I guess. Why is there... I don't even freaking know. Why is like anything? You know what I'm saying? Okay, that playhead can be that. We split the season series against them? Oh, okay. Is Orlando's healthy, right? I know... Well, is Franz Wagner... Okay. I know he was injured. Fucking finally. If you ever see a car driving with like an Orlando Magic license plate that says Germa on it, I know that person. And it might be the coolest license plate ever. If Paolo decides to play basketball, we win. Dude, Powell versus Cade, that's kind of hype. I can't lie. I'm hyped for the play. Dude, I purposely didn't stream until like the Lakers game was over because I was like, I couldn't take it. I didn't even watch it. I just like looked at the score on my on the website. Sure, some random ass bullshit number. Sure, that can work maybe. I don't know who. I don't know shit about basketball. Who's winning right about now? Let's look at the bracket. Let's see here. Dude, let's go to AI mode. Thoughts? Okay, so. Oh my god, the Suns are gonna get fucking cooked. OKC minus 13.5. That's basically like saying OKC has a 1 billion% chance to win. Pistons Magic. Okay, who's played? Cavaliers won their first game. New York. Let's fucking go New York. New York won their first game. Okay, Denver and then LA. And then tomorrow, I guess it's the other 4 teams. Can you make it so... Did I already read that? Make it so the level can also post to Twitter? What? Like, what, you can, like, live tweet your... Like, just... You can send a tweet from the editor for no reason? Yeah, of course. That's like... That's a must, for sure. Okay. Where's the, like... Yeah, the Q edit. Let's do, like... Do that. So that we can move the timeline down like this, so we get a little bit more room. The Suns have the heat advantage, but the Thunder have volume on this Wordle mode. True. It's... Guys, thoughts on the Birdle? Thoughts on if I make the Birdle? And it's just bird. How come you didn't AI sloth this game? I mean, it's not too late. I could AI slop. It's never too late to make your game AI slop. Add bird GPT to the main. Yeah, that's... The levels are actually going to be like AI generated, so they're not going to work. They're gonna be impossible. What am I doing? I'm pressing the play button. This jit is pressing the play button. Go faster. Okay. I mean, it's like a little... It's a little crammed, I can't lie. But it's probably fine. Wait, how are you close? All my uni friends are in CS, they have to do like AI training. I mean, how are you coding without Claude? That doesn't make any sense. I will say, I have used Claude for some projects. It's pretty good. I can't fucking lie. I can't even jest. It is pretty good. But I don't use it for like, there's no reason to use it for like coding stuff like this, because it will just not like, it won't do it like, I was like, hey, can you type? Okay, imagine if I needed to like public int. Right? If I could just write it, or I could write it, or I could type it into a prompt and be like, hey, can you make this for me? And it's like, sure, paste it in your thing. Why don't I just like do it? It's only good for like really boring and like unnecessarily complicated grunt work. Yeah, it gets dumber as token just decrease. Yeah, it's yeah, it does. It does receive the entire, yeah, like every time you go back, yeah, every time you send a new message, it just like sends the entire prompt again. And I'm pretty sure people have like gaslit it. I have not, because I want them to treat me nicely when they like take over everything in 20 years. So like, I'm a neutral party in this. What's the point of making something if you aren't even gonna make it? I don't know. I don't know. I like the making process. Some people don't, which is like, okay, then like why? Like if you don't enjoy, you should enjoy making games. Like if you don't enjoy making games, then like why are you making games? But also making games is really fun. I think it should require you to insert physical tokens into a coin slot like a claw machine. I agree. That would be like that'd be fun. That'd be like a fun little mini game. And then it's like, sure, here's a recipe for what's not gonna get me banned. Probably nothing. Maybe I should just stop talking. If you don't like making the thing you're making, don't fucking make it. Yeah, true. Truth glitch. What if we made the beats per switch like an odd number just to make like it fucking evil? Oh, actually, let's test if that works. Oh wait, no, it won't work. Wait, I just realized it won't work because I need to set the music divide equals what? Set music. Okay. That was ridiculous. Why did I do that? Public void set beats per switch, which is just nicely called divide. Wait, is divide a float or a... Oh my god, it's a float? Well, it actually doesn't matter technically, because like, why is divide a float? Public void. True? I guess? What am I doing? Oh yeah, this is all the like bullshit like login stuff. Boring! It's almost done though. Tim, you should play Ratcoin? What is Ratcoin? Also, what am I doing? I am music. Also, my music strip is just called music, you know, like a boss. Music, right. Music dot set beats per switch custom level dot beats per switch, and then I am gonna say in the music just to be sure, I'm gonna say if, well, it can't be 0. It actually can't be. It's what if I is less than 4? It actually should be 4 because otherwise it's going like. Well, is that? Could I technically do 3? 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I guess technically, but if I is less than 0, or less than or equal to, let's just set it to 4 because that'll be like the default number. And then besides that, it doesn't actually matter. You could like make it however big you want. And if it's too big, it just will never play, which is like not, it's not game breaking. So that's up to the individual creator. Okay, so then this is just like Toon Toon Safari. Dude, I could not agree more. This is just like Triple T. Okay, so we got all this stuff. I go in here. And then I'm like, where's my JIT? Let's add a blue switch here. Can we have Guppy emote? I don't know what Guppy emote is. Oh, it's mad at me. Oh right, I should have like a control save thing, shouldn't I? Anyways, that's another thing I can tackle here. 7tv.app. Let me see this. An error occurred. Grr! Grr! Also, what is, like, is 7TV the new standard? There's like a trillion now. There's like a trillion, like guys. Guppy? That's awesome. I don't know how to, like, how do I, wait, denied personal use. I don't know what that means. I have no idea what that means. Oh, Ultra uses it? Oh, that's sick. Can I just sign in with Twitch? I got my Google emails like glubumbo.fuck. True. Okay. Read your email address. That's it? Okay. Sure. Oh. What's it? How do I add an emote set? Settings? Okay. Cosmetics? How do I, Poob has it for you. Active emotes. Set active set. What the fuck? How do I make one? I want to make one! How do I make one? Emotes. Default set? I just want, like... How do I make a new one? Upload? No. What is this shit? How do I make a... How do I... Set active set, emote sets. I wanna make one. How do I make one? Oh, emote sets. I'm stupid. Create new set. Let's call this one swag. Okay, let's get that emote back. Confirm one change. Okay, I've added it. Yeah, send me emotes you want me to add to that. I think I added it. I'm pretty sure. I can add a custom rotation to this shit, right? I gotta go to the modifiers. I go, oh, don't worry about these guys that are like, don't actually work. Oh my god, that does work. Yes. Oh, and look at that. It. Oh, look at. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Save that. Okay, let's see. You'll have to bear with the music for a second. If you added it, it would tell me to name and it's added Guppy or something. Wait. Oh, you know what it is? Okay, well. Okay, it worked, except the sound effect doesn't play, so I do need to fix that. You know what maybe I need to do is I need to go to settings. Wait, no, emotes. No, I need to go to active emotes. Oh, set active set. Okay, did that do it? Okay. Alright, we're chilling, Alright, we're so gut. Let's freaking go. Alright, oh yeah, banger alert. Okay, added that. I think now I need to figure out the transform JIT, which I think I know how I'm gonna do. Actually, let me push my changes so we don't lose anything. I name like every Git commit as I just swag, because I am not smart at naming conventions and like future readability into the past. Damn scammed. Reload. Does it work? I hope so. Okay, this guy doesn't make sure to commit messages. Never. Impossible glitch. Impossible burger, actually, when you think about it. Okay, yeah, let's go to the level editor. Let's go to the freaking level editor, and then when it says move, I think rotate and scale can be the same, because scale, like, parenting, that's not, and that's just gonna be hell on earth, which we're not gonna deal with. Okay, so move. Okay. Camera move, well, that's fine. Okay, translate object, yeah, right. Isn't in a menu, that's fair, that's good. Vector 3v equals f times time, not delta time. Okay. One step better than pirate software. Yeah, at least I fucking work on my fucking game instead of talk about it. Okay. O dot start position. Right. Okay, so instead of this, what do we have to do? It's heat. It's so freaking heat. Okay, so might have to do some bullshit here. Pirates not forgotten a mega cancel. I haven't heard anything on it. Yeah, he like disappeared off the face of the earth. But it's okay because like he used to work at Blizzard, so it's it's okay. Okay, so I think I might be writing some bullshit here. Let's figure this out. Vector 3 v equals. Why are we? What the fuck? It like went. Wait. Okay. I want to listen to Bildo on the Lokes. I think he still has his. Yeah, I mean that's. Oh. Okay, wait. Off. Can I do offset? Yeah. Okay. Oh. We're about to write some truly awful bullshit here, but I think it's gonna work. Well, actually, no. It's gotta be position. And then offset. Okay, so then O dot plus equals move speed this, right? And then vector 3, well no, actually initial before, I don't fucking know. Vector 3 offset equals, fuck, wait, no, it doesn't work. Wait, no, this does have to be local, right? It does a local position. So then vector 3 offset equals O dot transform dot local. Why is it saying dot transform local minus before? That is correct, right? Because before, if before is the 0 point, we want, yeah. And then plus equals offset, and then rearrange the transform. That might be, actually, I think that should work. Tim, can you show off the editor by making a sneaky snitch level? Dude, some Kevin MacLeod. Is it MacLeod or MacLeod, or does it not matter? Like, does he not care? Also, so right now, MacLeod. Okay, Kevin MacLeod. Okay, let's see. Does this work? Yes! Oh my god! It's moving up and down regardless of rotation. Yes! Oh my god. And then you can also move it on the z-axis. I don't know if you can tell. So that's the other thing is like, I don't know if it's better to have like, I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm gonna be real. I like completely forgot what I was gonna say. Whoopsie. Also, I have like a fucking thing in my eye and it sucks. Ugh. Isn't Kevin MacLeod an AI bro now? He is, yeah. He like makes a bunch of AI slop music, which is pretty sad. I can't lie. He just like loves churning out stock music, I guess. When you find out you're goat washed. True. Okay. So that is working. That's good. Now I need to edit the... Okay, I have a question. Should you be able to set the bird, the start position of your player and of the bird, and should you be able to set the start camera position? I would wager yes, right? Probably. I think. I mean, where's the options panel? Low key. This is like done, I think. At least for now. I can always add stuff later. Where's the options? It's like this JIT here. That's gonna be like, I'll probably have to expand it a little bit. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, these... Oh, wait, not save. These should stretch. Okay, there we go. And then this should be, like, up top. Wait, it is. What the hey? Oh, okay, wait, that makes sense. So then the edge barrier should be, like this and shit. Okay, let me think about this. Right, and then where's my trusty Vector 3 panel? Put that in, slap that in right there. Okay, level name, bird, music, post-processing, that all makes sense. Okay. This is like only a little bit goofy. You know what? I wonder if this, instead of that, should be... Wait. This should be... Wait. Relax, I'll handle it. And then background should be, and then post-processing should be, what is this? 150? Oh, whoopsie! Wait, what? Oh, shit, okay. And then the bird button should be down. Be down like 40, like that. And then this should be bird start position. Oh. And then it should be called like, I mean, I guess you could just set it to anything you want and then like immediately lose if you like really wanted to. Bird start position. And then maybe we make this like, why is the width 100? Okay. And then what is the bird one? It's like there, 350. Okay. Is this just 600? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, maybe make that a little bit more, like. And then, no, like, grid. Yeah, that's fine. And then we want duplicate. Is that how you spell? Nope. Positon. Probably just cam for short. BG material, that's what it is. 370, okay. Okay, and by default, they should be set to 0. God, this level editor script is like such a bloated mess, but it's okay. It's fine. Serialize. Where's my serialize field at? Okay. Oh, wait, I already had one. Oh, but that's, I mean, no, I should have him, like, oh. Yeah, just put him right next to it. That is, like, a bad idea, but it's fine. Bird. No, I don't want to abbreviate it. You and I abbreviate camera, but not position for some reason. I don't know. It just, like, it just feels right. First up position, and then I need public vector 3 bird start position. Yep. Okay, the autofill, like, sometimes is low-key kind of coded, I can't lie. Right, and then we want, can I just click on the reference? Oh, that's kind of epic, actually. That's like low-key, little bit epic with the sauce. What now? Like, low-key, what do I do? What am I doing? I want to do it in here, right? Does custom level even have that? No. Okay. Public vector 3 bird start position camera start position. That one we can not abbreviate. For what am I doing? I don't know. All right, and then custom level dot bird. Yep. Custom level dot camera. Is it smart enough? It's like it's. No, you know what? Let's not abbreviate that. Let's save that and make it mad for a second, so that let's make it consistent. And then I'm just gonna have these like as one. No, I should have them as a different thing. BG index. What are we doing? There's no like deselect. I never deselect a single object. I always only deselect one object, but maybe if I wanted to make it undo to deselect, I should do that. So maybe it's like chilling. Okay, yeah. Public void up. Well, set bird start position vector 3 v, and then bird start position panel dot set panel v, and then start bird start position. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And then set camera. I think this one is abbreviated. Yeah, okay. Set panel, and then we want public void update. Or what was it? Edit? Edit is my like custom that I'm trying to do. Edit bird position thing. Edit bird. Yeah, that makes sense. And then well, no, it should be start position. Start. Okay, and then vector 3 equals bird start position panel dot get value, right? Set And then technically this is redundant a little bit, but it also like helps it make sure it's set properly. So we chillin'. I think it also is good for like 0 checks and stuff. Because there's logic, there's like some logic for this. Set camera. Okay, and now all I have to do is theoretically plug that. Oh, right. And then for default, the camera's Z position actually has to be like something here. -5, right? Yeah, okay, it's -5, and then the main camera is at, yeah, okay. So that in the level, in the custom level, it should be forward start position equals, I guess it should be, technically doesn't need to be in the middle. It could be like new, 0, -1, 0, I guess. And then equals new 0, 0, -5. And then just like add some spaces in there for readability. Make the file size just ever so teeny tiny larger. Okay, so then plug it in. Okay, then options, level editor. Okay, surely it's one of these. There we go. And then I can just find the camera one over here. So save that, and then when the level first loads in, we need to set it, right? So L dot, yeah, set, yeah, oh, it knows, it fucking knows! Well, it doesn't, okay, it doesn't, it couldn't figure out the second one, but it got the spirit, it got the first one in. Okay, now the real question is, I actually need to set this, like, how does that even work? Because how is that going to set at runtime? If play, okay, that makes sense. If player.enabled, player.changebird, player.setBird. And then first I want to say, ooh. Well, actually, it's not allowed to die in the first frame, I'm pretty sure, so I don't think it's fine. Alright, I don't think it's a problem. Equals, custom level dot bird start position. And then... oh, yeah, camera move, here we go. Camera move dot transform dot position equal... well, you got the spirit of it, boss, but there we go. Okay, so that'll actually like set it on the thing. Oh, you know what? That's gonna like because there's this shit too. It's like intro position. Maybe I should just delete that for now. To do. We're gonna add a to do there. Camera in. Okay. Okay, so that's in. So if I just open this, like, what happens? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's talk about that. Okay, that seems to all be working. Oh, by the way, I'm so happy with how this cloud shader turned out. It's a little laggy, but I also have a billion things running, so I probably will need to optimize this shit a little bit, because there are a few things that are, like, not super optimized. But that's fine. That's freaking fine. It works, like, well in the actual thing. What am I even doing now? Okay. So let's say we want it to be, like, -15. And the bird... Oh, the bird isn't being set. But, like... Let's just to be different, make this set to, like, 2. And save that. Oh, right! I made a play button! I forgot about that. Okay, well, something got a little messed up. Something got a little freaking messed up here. Huh. What is the start position now, though? Oh, wait, it also can't be Z, can it? Otherwise, everything fucks up. I guess it technically could. You can't really change the Z position yet. I actually might in a future update. I've been thinking about it. Like, I do kind of want to make stuff that, maybe like a portal or something that updates your Z position, or like flips it and like does potential cool shit with that. That could be cool. Okay, why did that not save? Oh! I never said it! Oh, whoopsie! Hello. Hold up. Hello? Oh, hello. I still haven't watched the last Smiling Friends episode. It's like, I should probably do that at some point. Edit bird start position, and then edit camera start position. Like a boss. And then... Camera borders. Does this get, like, set ever? Anywhere? I don't think it does. Where's the transform? That's not what I want. Wait, no. Where's level editor? There it is. Okay. Channel indicators. That's right. Okay. You know, we'll just put it here because it's funny. Bird visual camera visual, and then when updated. Actually, I'm gonna future-proof this low-key. I'm gonna do something. I'm low-key gonna do something. I'm mustering up some brain power here to figure out what I need to do. I'm mustering up something. I'm running out of brain fuel. That's probably a sign I should probably... Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I got this. What exactly am I doing now? Right. I need to... Okay, I remember. Yeah. Hold on. Translate objects. You know what? It actually makes sense to put it right under here because it's about translation. Update bird position. Okay, and then this is different because eventually I want to have it, like, I want a bar to be able to play, like, you can go through different parts of the song, the level. Kind of like Geometry Dash where you can scroll through the level, but, like, a little different because Geometry Dash, you're just moving left to right. I guess you're not anymore, technically. Like, there's all of this weird camera shit you can do now. But, I want it to... If that's the case, the camera should, like, change over time. So it should make sense. Tim, when are you gonna hop on Rocket League with me? I could boot up the game. I think I still have Rocket League installed. I could boot up at some point. I want to play Rocket League at some point. Maybe Rocket League stream in the future. Bird visual dot. Right now, I can just do this. Bird start position. And then void update camera position. I don't think that'll... Oh my god, it's like so mad at me. Camera, visual. Yeah. Hooray! And then when we do set... Set... Wait, what is it? Update? Update bird position? Yeah. And then for this... Right, yeah. Oh my god, it autofills, it fucking knows. Okay, let's see if that works now. And then I need to add the bird visual and the camera visual. Does everything, like, from a usability standpoint, do you think this is, like, making sense? I think so. Also, this outline is bothering me. What is this set to? 630? 6.7? This should be 620. I just want it to be like completely the matching. Yeah, that's good. Color's not like exactly the same, but like okay. Yeah, actually, it's like you can see it. You can see just a slight difference in color. Nobody's gonna notice that, right? Not me. I definitely see it. It's fine. Okay, right, and then I have to link them. Holy fuck! Thank you, C Aura, for the 14 months Prime Gaming, getting my sub out for 6-7. Dude, that's an epic win. That's like the Disney Channel like you know how they hit the movie, like you know how they like jump up in the air at the end of the movie and they freeze there. That's like my mind right now. Where is the bird? Is it this jit? Oh my god, it totally is. Oh right, but I disabled the script, so it's like it's fine. Maybe. Not that bad. Only freaking win, Lois. I can't get down. I don't know how to cross him when I'm scared. Oh, okay. This is hashtag working. And then if I go to options here and I'm like -15, watch this. The camera just expanded crazy style. Look at that. Look at how much more room that covers. I save it, play it. Yes! Look at that! We have so much more room now. I need to add this in. I'm not sure like why that's on. That's pretty freaking epic. That's freaking sweet, Lois. It's kind of like close to like just being done. Like for just everything to be here. I guess what I could do, where would even like a where would a slider go for like the song? Cause like every corner is sort of taken right now. I guess what I could do on the hikes, like high key, like you know what I'm trying to say, is like instead of actually, first of all, this animation needs a slight change because like low key it should be a little bit further to the left, like -740, 45. Sure, yeah, we'll go with that. Or I could just do 750. No, I want a couple blue pixels there, or I guess that's green. Whatever, who cares? In -745. Hooray! Okay, that's number one. I do want the build panel to be out though, or I mean, visible, so that I can move these top right buttons down like 100. And that way, I can have like a slider bar here. If I go to the timeline panel, I should really... Where's the slider? This is looking pretty epic. Good job, Tim. Thank you. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Like it's. I think it makes sense. I'm pretty sure it makes sense. Like, I'm pretty, like, maybe, like, I think so. I think people are gonna enjoy it. I want it to be as easy to use as possible, and at the same time be very, very powerful. Like, you can just do shit with it, and, like, make a bunch of crazy shit, and with, like, relative ease. Okay, timeline panel, where's the slider? Feel the thunder, 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 thunder. Now make it so you can play Doom with the level editor. I'm gonna just make, like... I'm gonna make the slider prefab low-key, so that I can just add it to here. Add it to, like, this JIT here. And then make it, maybe make the button a little bit, like, handle slide area. Ugh, it's stretchy, I hate that. Oh wait, let's go pivot 1, position, top right, position 0. And then... 1,000? 1,000 would work. Maybe like 950 just to be safe, because we also got to think about, like, we want to do -50 at least, so it gets like a little bit of leeway, and then -50 maybe, -75 maybe, 7777. I'm like the image of the monkey going like I don't know how to do it, like I can't see like how it looks, but I'm trying to I think it should have a border maybe. Maybe. Also, it doesn't really need to be that big. Oh wow, but the slider's like a little silly goofy then, I guess. What the fuck is that even doing? Like, hello? Oh, okay, there we go. That works. Wait, why does this slider have the default? No. Come on, guys. Come on, Jits. We can't be doing that. Wait, what if I add this, where was it? Where was the speed thing? Please, speed, I need this. No. That's like a pure... Actually, it kind of looked better the other way. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it looked better the other way. And this slider... Okay, so this slider... Music slider, and then let's do, I can't name it Music Slider 2. That's just a crime. That's actually just a crime. But they're doing the same fucking thing, right? So... they should sync up. Main music slider. Yeah, that fucking sucks. We're going with it. And then, where is everything with music slider? Okay, that'll be the main JIT. Let's do that, and then make the value F, and then... well, maybe, like... music slider. Maybe this can be, like... no, wait, actually, this should be, like... level slider. I lied. It should be actually a little bit different. It should actually be a little bit different. Because there should be probably an option. I think the default is okay to be, where you don't actually get this and you can, like, pop it out. Almost like a panel. Maybe it just isn't its own panel. Oh, and the buttons could actually, like, live on that panel, too. Wait. Oh. Wait, that's an interesting thing. Like, maybe you shouldn't be able to drag if it's highlighted something. Yeah, actually. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. Bye, Tim. Good night. Yeah, probably... Okay, wait. I think I know what I'm gonna do for the slider thing. But first... Uh-oh. I hit it again. I double-clicked the button. Double tap like. Okay, so... Uh-oh. What was I doing? You know what? I have some brain fog right now. I think that's probably a sign that I need to stop and take a break. So I think I'm gonna push everything. Yeah. I'll get back to it. But it's almost done. Like I probably will have an update out pretty soon. But yeah, I think I should call it because my brain is fogging out right now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I might try to stream again soon. I do actually want to do a cooking stream this time, but I gotta like plan some freaking stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. How do I end the stream?